Hello, my 3D printer peeps. I'm sitting here with the K2 Plus and the Creality nozzle set. Today, we are going to go over how to replace the nozzle in your Creality K2 Plus. In my printer is a 0.4 nozzle. I will demonstrate this nozzle replacement using a 0.6 nozzle. You may use the size of your choice. Before we get started, I would like to drop in and give you a quick peek at today's sponsor. PCBWay offers a tremendous lineup of services, from fabricating your own custom PCB boards to CNC machining, sheet metal fabrication, 3D printing services, and injection molding. PCBWay also has a store where you can buy everything from soldering irons to touchscreens and a whole lineup of electronic components to help you with your more advanced 3D printing projects. Here we are looking at the Creality Unicorn K2 Plus Quick Swap Nozzle Kit. This kit contains two 0.4, a 0.6, and a 0.8. I will be swapping my 0.4 nozzle with this 0.6 nozzle. Remove the 0.6 nozzle and find the thermal grease packet hidden behind the 0.4 nozzle. To remove the nozzle from its case, simply grab this rubber grip and wiggle it out. Grab the nozzle and remove the cap. Keep this case because if the current nozzle is still functional, you can store it in this case in the event you need it in the future. It's now time to remove the old nozzle and prepare for the installation of the new nozzle. You will want to bring your print head forward so you have easier access to it. Should your bed be too high, feel free to press the hamburger and use this screen to manually lower your bed. You may also use this screen to center your tool head. I will do mine manually. If you do yours manually, please be very careful and do it with the machine turned off. You may do this by reaching behind the print head and sliding it forward. Go ahead and remove the tool head cover by grabbing the side, pulling out, pushing up, and sliding forward. Should the cover catch at the top, simply apply a touch of upward pressure to the cable chain to help get that lift and remove the cover. While it's entirely possible to do this with the tool head cover on, I would prefer to do it with the tool head cover off. It is now time to remove the current nozzle. We will do this by first heating the hot end. Here on this screen, we will touch nozzle temp and we will set the nozzle temperature to 200. While the nozzle is heating, break out the Creality toolkit included in your K2 Plus and remove this tool. Remove this tool, insert this adapter into this tool, press the tool up into the hot end, and turn counterclockwise. The nozzle should come out fairly easily. Keep in mind, this nozzle will be 200 degrees Celsius. Go ahead and place the nozzle onto the print bed. Please also keep in mind, this adapter will now also be very hot. Grab your thermal paste packet, rip it open, and squeeze that thermal paste onto this little section right here. While you don't need a lot, you also don't get a lot, so please be careful not to accidentally drop or waste it. And give it a little spin to spread it evenly. Take this same tool, place the new nozzle into the tool, and then gently feed it up into the hot end. Once it's into the hot end, you may begin the 9,000 turn process of screwing the unicorn into the hot end. Once you feel it come to a stop, push upward just a little. Give it a firm turn to the right to be sure it's tight. And your new nozzle is installed. Please do not overdo it. We do not wish to break, bend, or rotate anything here in this hot end. Also, in those final turns, do not be afraid to push upward. This is simply flexible silicone and you won't damage it. You may now take the previous nozzle and return it to a nozzle case. Place the back end of the nozzle into the case cover and place the cover and nozzle into the case. In my case, this is a 0.4 nozzle in a 0.6 case. While the nozzle itself says 0.4 on it right here, you may want to go ahead and label this case. Place this aside, as this nozzle is okay to use again in the future. With the new nozzle installed, you may go ahead and replace the tool head cover. With a little upward pressure on the cable chain, the tool head cover should snap easily into place. Because a different nozzle may have a microscopic height difference, you will need to run a new calibration to be sure the Z offset and ABL are correct. While auto leveling may be enough, I would go ahead with a full calibration. That includes auto leveling, belt calibration, cutter calibration, and input shaping. Shut the door, press start detecting. When this process is done, you are ready to print with your new nozzle. And there we are. With one simple tool, we have replaced the nozzle on the Creality K2 Plus. I'm Greg Adventure, and you're on 3D Rundown.